Okay, so I'm going to show you a few things here on how to get started with the PSOC programmer. So this is my computer at home, and so hopefully this will work out just fine. The first thing you should realize is that there's going to be one thing we're going to have to do only one time, and that's because these are new out-of-the-box devices. I should take that back. We might have to do it more than once. But what you should do is go to your start menu, and I mean, obviously this is my home computer, so I've got a lot of other things going on here. But you should see here there's a Cypress folder on the computers where it's installed, and there's a bunch of different things here. Um, Basically, we have PSOC creators, what we're going to be using. I believe you only have 4.2. I've also still got the older version of 4.1 installed. But then there's this application called the PSOC Programmer, and mine is 3.281. Yours might be a different number. It doesn't really matter what yours is, but the key thing is you need to click on this, and that will open up this little thing that says file not present, whatever. But what you'll see here, if you have your device plugged into your USB, of course you have to have the Cypress chip and everything plugged in through your USB. You'll see this kit prog here. Um, and actually this is great because mine is out of date. It says this program is currently out of date. To update the firmware, please navigate to the Utilities tab and press the Update Firmware button. So I'd already done this on this particular board that I have, but basically there's a new version of the programmer that is not on my board. And so what I need to do is say OK, and then I'm going to go to Utilities, and then I'm just going to simply click on the Upgrade Firmware. And then I'm just going to sit here um, and let it, and you can see what it is. It said here it's expecting 2.21, but it found 2.18. So that was the problem, and that's on the board itself. Okay, so it's doing the updating and the verifying and all that good jazz. Um, and now it's passed. So we're all good to go. So I can go back here and it says Kit Programmer version 2.21. And that's actually all there is in this video. Pretty quick, short video. But it's very important that we have this upgraded. Now again, yours might be something different. It might not be 2.21. Maybe it's 2.19 or 2.22. Doesn't really matter which one yours is on your computer as long as your board has the same one. And so that's what we just did is we upgraded the firmware on our board so that we had the same programming version. All right, so let's go ahead and end this